Okay, day traders. Another day. Been doing some studying and whatnot. I think I took some notes. I don't know where exactly it went. Uh, so continue on developing strategies and whatnot. So part of my daily challenge, right? So it's sort of ties into the same thing, but this is more on the day trading aspect. There's lots of materials out there. Continue to um, focus on um, learning bits and pieces on a daily basis, and then try to get that into my mind and just try to find that. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah, here it is. SIR. Okay, so one of the things that the relative strength index. I think that's what it is. So making sure that if it's overbought, that means it's gonna be sold. If it's oversold, it's gonna be bought. Right, so sort of the understanding, there are guidelines, of course, not an and all be all, but these are some indicators, right? Good indicators that we can definitely utilize, right? Again, utilize a technical analysis, right? Just like accounting, trading is a technical analysis about trends and situation in news and media. Okay, so knowing about those help with the trades. Okay, we want to focus on reviewing. Again, the daily concept about learning something is the continuation of practicing on a daily basis of what you have learned and retained. The thing is the concept of you forget something. We forgot. You like the forgetting theory, right? You will lose your understanding of something that you've learned. Um, um, Basically, I don't remember. One just like 20 minutes later, you lose 50% of what you just learned. So reviewing, taking notes is so important. So the whole concept of reviewing, taking notes, and then practicing it. We have agents, we're really good at that. Test repetition again and again and again and again and again and again. So the concept is the same thing. Stock market, you gotta have good habits on a continuous basis. Good, repetition, right? Well-oiled machine, good practice on good thoughts, and gotta make sure to always fact check, and that's the most important part, because good thoughts and good habits are foundation. If you have bad habits, right, then you're building a wrong foundation. So you got to continue making sure that everything that you are doing is on a fundamental correct standpoint. Okay, so fundamental, minimize risk, very important, right? Make sure you're not overexposed in your position in terms of your overall portfolio. Make sure you're diversifying. Doesn't matter what you're doing, um, in Bitcoin and whatnot. Diversify. Number one, diversify. Understand why you're diversifying. Bitcoin and altcoins and cryptocurrency, a little bit different, I think, beast altogether, because there are a lot of unknown factors, a lot of coins that disappear, a lot of companies that just disappeared. I've been using just disappeared. So it's not really reliable. Definitely, I can definitely attest to that because I've been there. Okay, so going back to more traditional methods, so I want to get some more experience in this aspect, where no fee trading and what I was getting into it. Um, and again, not by emotions. That's the most important pitfall. Number one rookie mistake is by emotions. Don't chase losses either. Right? Focus on the plan. And if your plan didn't work out, that's okay. We gotta readjust and figure out what went wrong. Okay. In terms of the plan of, profiting, right? We want to profit approximately 10%, 20%, 30%, depending on what the average would look like, right? What's your average expectation? What you expect, right? Always play it safe than safe. So better safe than sorry, right? Again, we focus on small gains. Small gains compounded will lead to big gains. Okay, and that's the most important fundamental we want to continue honing down on a daily basis. And that's it from me. Continue learning and seeing my. I think I got a deposit for $1,000 went in, just doing some clearing process in Wealthsimple, and then maybe we should get in some trades and getting some action here, right? I want to make that money work for you. It's a game. So excited to get started. Let's go and get some income and grow that $1,000 into $2,000. Let's say how long that take. It should take right 13, 14 trades, right, and then we go, right, compound effect, right. Okay, talk soon, guys.